keep in contact as long as we do not have the possibility to meet in person. Yeah, you mentioned it before. The COVID, it's still difficult to travel to China or to Asia with the restrictions. So I hope it will end in next year, so we can have a live meeting. Yeah, maybe here in Germany or somewhere else. As long we should keep on going with these online meetings. I think that helps a lot. Yeah. For you to mention, we are planning to do a meeting on Saturday, July 16th. So I will announce that in the club and also write some invitations. And you can give us some topics. And with Andre, I think we can organize if you have the setup, if you plan to do the online Zoom meeting from St. Petersburg, if that's possible. If not, we do it from Ulm. Yeah.
It will depends on situation.
Yeah. But we can discuss that, and then we will see. Okay, so now it's 9 o'clock, or?
Time to start.
Yes. So are you going to start, Andre? Yeah.
Yeah. Marko, you can start your introduction.
Okay. So as president of the ICRCC, it's my pleasure to welcome you to this online meeting organized by Andrei Ivanov from St. Petersburg with the topic tips and tricks of robotic surgery or teaching and learning. And I welcome all of the speakers, members of the club, and all people joining this meeting. First of all, I would like to thank Andrei Ivanov for organizing this platform so we can do these online meetings in a very convenient way. In Ulm, I'm at the moment preparing a new homepage for the ICRCC, so that makes it maybe also easier to use the homepage on the cellular phone in the future, so we can get easier access. As mentioned before, the present situation with regard to international politics and COVID makes it impossible to meet in person. I mean, that is not a very good situation. However, I think we need international exchange to improve our surgical techniques and in the end, the treatment of our patients. They need progress so they can profit. And to reach this goal, I mean, one possibility at the moment are these international online meetings. And in general surgery and also neighboring disciplines like urology or gynecology, minimally invasive surgery is dramatically increasing in all areas. And especially as robotic surgery is becoming more and more available in may become the main player in minimal invasive surgery in the future. So Andre prepared a very interesting program for our meeting today, tips and